Yes. Today is another round of unboxing. So today we're going to unbox this Armaggeddon AK666, the ultimate gaming keyboard. Let's go. So let's start the unboxing. This keyboard claims to have these spill-proof features, anti-ghosting, and an ultra durable and silent key. Let's take a look inside. Alright, this is the USB jack, and this is the full-size keyboard with a 104 tech key, 8 different backlight, and the key seems to be okay. And this thing cost me only about 20 USD, which I bought it on the November 11 Lazada sale. Let's get the system up and test out the keyboard, right? So I have hooked up the system. This is how it looks like when all the LED backlights are up. I try to make the room as dark as possible so I can see how bright it is. So this is how it looks like. The main keyboard looks okay. The keypad looks bright, but the keys above here looks a bit dim, but it's okay, still visible to me. I bought this keyboard due to my previous keyboard was giving me some problem. One of it is the letters was coming off from some of the keys, and the other one is that when I type too fast, the keyboard can't actually register all the letters I've typed, so the words can't be complete. And then for this, I think the letters are engraved on the back of the keys, so there'll be no such problem. And let us see the light effects. There are 8 light effects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, it starts to dim down. 7, and the last one. Okay, I think the 5 is the best. Okay, now I'll try to type as fast as possible and see if it can register all my typing. Hi, I'm typo, sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. Gadget. Nice to see you guys here again. It's pretty okay. And many thanks to you guys for watching this video. Looks pretty okay. Yes. Okay, I think it passed the test. So I think it registered every word that I have typed. There's no missing letters. It looks pretty okay. Yeah. In conclusion, I think that this is a good buy. It's only about 20 USD. And then if you are having the same problem as mine, or you want to change your keyboard, I would recommend this to you. First of all, it is spill proof. Don't worry about your Coke or your Milo. And second thing is that the LED light looks quite bright here. The only drawback is the keys over here is not that bright. It's a bit dim, but it's still visible to me. And then the third thing is these keys are not really noisy. It's not like the mechanical keyboard which make a bit of a noise there. So it's pretty good here. nice touch, and then it's the full size keyboard. So I think with the low price tag and the Armaggeddon brand is quite a reputable brand, so I think it's worth a buy, worth a try. So if you guys do like this video, I hope that I hope that you can hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, because I've got a few gadgets coming up for review in the future. And then that's about it, and thanks for watching, and bye.